This video is sponsored by Adobe.
Fonts do more than spell things out. They have a secret life, full of features that designers often miss. Welcome to the secret life of fonts. In this first episode, we'll look at small caps, superscript, and subscript. For small caps, you'll find a button on the control panel, or you can use the shortcut Command-Shift-H or Control-Shift-H. But here's the thing, only OpenType fonts with true small caps will look right. Here's Georgia Pro. Turn on small caps and look closely. The small caps are optically adjusted, not just scaled down uppercase. That's what you want. Compare that to Georgia. Same toggle, but it's just faking it, shrinking the capitals, which throws off the stroke weight. You can change how much the small caps are scaled, but the stroke weights will not match those of the upper and lowercase text. OpenType small caps are distinct glyphs, sized to the font's X height. With OpenType small caps, you also have the option of all small caps, which blend better in continuous text. They typically benefit from a modest amount of positive tracking. It's a similar story with superscript and subscript. If you toggle these on using the control panel, you get fake superscript and subscript, full-size numbers that are scaled and positioned according to the values in the advanced type preferences. If your font supports OpenType features, choose these options from the OpenType menu, either on the control panel or the character panel. If the option is unavailable, it will be surrounded by square brackets. Just like small caps, superior and inferior numbers are distinct glyphs, and the weight of their strokes will match that of full-size characters. If I align the text frames together, it's clear that the OpenType superior characters are more robust than the synthetic versions. Using real small caps and real OpenType superior and inferior figures is important in typography because they preserve typographic integrity, maintain visual consistency, and respect the design of the typeface.
Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. And for thousands more how-to articles and tutorials, visit our website, CreativePro.com, and become a member today. Thanks for learning with us.